On behalf of the Alliance for Retired Americans, it is my pleasure to introduce to you a very special person with a very special message for seniors on health care, Lynda Johnson Robb.
I want to thank the Alliance for Retired Americans for giving me the opportunity to speak to you about one of the greatest legacies of my father's presidency, Medicare. I have been greatly distressed about the tone of our nation's health reform debate in recent weeks, and in particular about the way Medicare is being maligned by the current debate. Those of you who lived through those splendid achievements of the Roosevelt, Truman, Kennedy, and Johnson administrations can be proud of the achievements of those years, including the creation of Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, and more. In 1965, my father signed Medicare and Medicaid into law, providing national health insurance for seniors and the needy. Upon signing the bill, he presented the very first Medicare card to former President Harry Truman, who advocated for health insurance for all. Neither my father nor those other great presidents would say government can or should be the solution for every problem, but they would say that ensuring all Americans have guaranteed affordable health care is the missing piece of the modern American social contract and the unfinished business of their legacies. Without government, we would not have Medicare for seniors. Now government should step in to extend health insurance coverage to other Americans. This is also the unfinished business of our generation. I urge America's seniors and all Americans to finish this chapter in this great unfinished project of our society by working for affordable health care for all. I urge you to reject the falsehoods being spread by those who stand to gain from the failure of health care reform and those who simply don't realize what's at stake there. My father overcame similar opposition in the fight for Medicare. With your help, we can overcome again and create a new legacy for the generations to come. I want to thank the Alliance for Retired Americans for their leadership in protecting Medicare and advocating for health care reform. I urge you to join and support the Alliance's effort to make health care a reality for all Americans. Finally, I want to finish this message, not with my words, but with the words of my friend, the late Senator Ted Kennedy, who made the case best in his final National Political Convention speech. I'm Lynda Robb. Thank you for listening.
And this is the cause of my life, new hope, that we will break the old gridlock and guarantee that every American, north, south, east, west, young, old, will have decent, quality health care as a fundamental right and not a privilege. This is what we do. We reach the moon. We scale the heights. I know it. I've seen it. I've lived it. And we can do it again. The work begins anew. The hope rises again. And the dream lives on.